Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well at your home. Students, this is your new subject class, and I'm your new GK teacher. My name is Smriti. I know, student, GK subject is new for you, but it is very interesting, and I hope you will enjoy lots. Students, what is the full form of GK? Yes, आई थिंक आप सभी को पता है कि व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ जीके. यस, ऑब्वियसली द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ जीके इज जनरल नॉलेज. ओके, एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जनरल नॉलेज. जनरल नॉलेज मीन्स knowledge about the whole world. For example, the knowledge of the the knowledge of the our culture, our festival, national festival, cartoons, animals, forest, environment. Okay, so many informations are included in GK subject. Understood? So now let's start our new subject. This is your GK book. Okay, this is your GK book. You must know. Okay, students, one more thing. Before starting the chapter, I will inform you in GK subject. I have mentioned few chapters, means we have taken some chapters in GK book. Okay, I have sent you the list of the chapters which are to come in the examination. Understood? मैंने GK से कुछ चैप्टर्स इंक्लूड किए हैं जो आपके एग्जामिनेशंस में आने वाले हैं. Understand? So students, take out your GK book, okay, and open page number 5. This is your first chapter, okay, our flag. Students, before starting our chapter, this is your GK copy. You have to make thin copy for GK subject, okay, 4-line copy. आपको GK की एक कॉपी बनानी है. Understood? Now, firstly, mention today's date here. Today's date is 28 November 2020. Okay, so firstly put it date here. Yes, come to the chapter. Our first chapter is our flag. Students, India is our country. आप सबको ही पता है कि इंडिया हमारी कंट्री है. एंड दिस इज़ आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. ये हमारा नेशनल फ्लैग है. ओके, लुक एट हियर स्टूडेंट्स. द इंडियन फ्लैग इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ट्राई कलर और तिरंगा. यस, आपको पता है ना कि इसे हम तिरंगा भी बोलते हैं. why do we call it तिरंगा? Yes, because it is made of 3 colors. Okay, it has 3 colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. This is saffron, this is white, and this is green. Our national flag tells us that we are a free country. हमारा जो नेशनल फ्लैग है वो क्या कहता है? वी आर फ्री कंट्री. हम एक आज़ाद देश के वासी हैं. ओके, हम किसी के गुलाम नहीं हैं. वी आर फ्री. द इंडियन फ्लैग इज होस्टेड ऑन 15th August Independence Day and 26th January Republic Day. Both days are celebrated as national festival. Yes, students, Independence Day and Republic Day is our national festivals. ये हमारे क्या है? नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स हैं. आई थिंक यू नो ऑल on 15th August we are celebrated Independence Day. आप सभी को पता है कि 15 अगस्त को हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एंड 26 जनवरी को we are celebrated Republic Day. You all know that? Yes. So This is our national flag. Okay, and those are the three colors. Now tell me, what is the meaning of those colors? Yes, no, I will tell you. This is saffron color. Saffron color is indicating the strength and courage of the country. Understood? Now this is white. The white medal band indicates peace and truth with Dhamma Chakra. The last band is green. Green in color shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. And what is this? This is Ashoka Chakra. And how many strokes in Ashoka Chakra? There are 24 strokes in Ashoka Chakra. Okay? Students, every free country has its own national flag. आपको पता है जितनी भी कंट्री होती है जो फ्री होती है उनका एक नेशनल फ्लैग होता है. मीन्स इंडिया इज़ अ फ्री कंट्री, है ना. हमारी इंडिया जो है वो एक फ्री कंट्री है. सो हमारी इंडिया का नेशनल फ्लैग क्या है? दिस इज़. इसी तरह जैसे हर कंट्री, जैसे अमेरिका एक फ्री कंट्री है, सो यूएसए का एक अलग फ्लैग होता है ना. हर कंट्री, जो भी कंट्री फ्री है तो हैज़ इट्स ओन फ्लैग. उनके खुद के एक फ्लैग होते हैं. दिस इज़ आर इंडियन फ्लैग. दिस इज़ आर नेशनल फ्लैग. Okay. One more thing, during the hosting of the national flag, we must stand to give respect. पता है जब हम नेशनल फ्लैग को होस्ट करते हैं, मीन्स जब नेशनल फ्लैग को हम मतलब प्रेसिडेंट हमारे या स्कूल्स में आपने देखा होगा हमारे जो भी प्रिंसिपल सर हैं वो जब नेशनल फ्लैग को होस्ट करते हैं तो वी मस्ट स्टैंड टू गिव रिस्पेक्ट. हमें एकदम स्टैंड खड़े रहना चाहिए, एकदम स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन पे, है ना, उसके रिस्पेक्ट के लिए. एंड हम सॉन्ग भी सिंग करते हैं. कौन सा सॉन्ग? यस, जन गण मन. ओके, सो द फ्लैग ब्रिंग्स ऑल द इंडियंस टुगेदर. वी शुड लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. हमेशा हमें अपने नेशनल फ्लैग की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज. So the first question is, the Indian flag is also called as the tricolor. So write down here TRICOLOUR. You have to write here tricolor. Look at here. Yes, this is the spelling of tricolor. So underline here tricolor. Okay. Now, second question is, our national flag tells us that we are a free country. Yes, our national flag tells us that we are free country. So, write down here free country. FREECOUNTRY. Country. Okay, free country. And third question is, 15th August and 26th January are celebrated as our national festival. Yes, 26th January and 15th August we are celebrated as our national festival. है ना? These two festivals are our national festivals. So write down here national, spelling of national. Look at here. Here yes, so underline this national festival. Okay, these are the two our national 15th August and 26th January. Write down here national, NATIONAL, national festival. You have to complete. आपने complete किया? आपको complete करना है. Okay, so students, take out your GK copy. This is your today's homework. Firstly, write down today's date, 28th November 2030, and day. This is today's Saturday. So you have to mention here day and write down top of the copy is SW. This is your GK homework, so mention here GK. Chapter 1, a flag. Okay. Now question is, draw our national flag and color it. Students, you have to make here our national flag and color it. This is your today's homework. So you have to complete your homework and send me. Understood? This is your copy work and I hope you have to complete it. That work आपने ये वर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा. Okay, you have to complete it, that work. Let's revise once again. This is our national flag. Okay, and national flag is a symbol of freedom and unity among the people of different communities living in our country. It is hosted at national festivals and other important events. I think it's clear about our flag. आप सभी को ये सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया होगा. So you have complete this work. आपको यह वर्क कंप्लीट करना है and complete your homework also. So that all for today's class. Goodbye students. Take care. Have a nice day.